Hello, audio video check, please. Good evening, Priya. Audio video check, please. Priya, to confirm, please. Hello. Priya, to confirm, please. We shall be starting in next 5 minutes. Please share the link. Akshata. Keep sharing the link. Ask people to join. You'll be starting in next 5 minutes. Tanvi Singhi, shortcut wali life. GE2. Good evening, Sakshi. हाँ, अभी सही है. Tanvi, good evening. Okay, Priya. Keep sharing the link. Let the people join in quickly. 3 minutes to the roll with the first question on the screen. Pranjali Suryavanshi, good evening. Good evening, Sakshi, Divya, good evening. Chalo, let's roll on. It's time now. 6:30. 10 beautiful questions from statistics, which is TCS favorite. A question from statistics, basically from averages. And as far as statistics is concerned, for them, averages can be of three types: mean, median, mode. Fair enough. Read the question on your screen. 1 minute timer. Try to answer it. And again, mean can be arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. And if nothing is mentioned in the question, then majority of the time, average simply means arithmetic mean. Like in this question, they are asking about the average of X and Y. You just need to find AM. We'll be discussing the formula also in a while. I give you 1 minute time. Give it a try first. Okay. If you are trying good, you should mention few things. Majority of the time, they also ask question from mean, median, and mode relationship. We will see if we have that question or not. If not, then please make note of this empirical relationship between mean, median, and mode for any given data. Mean minus mode is equals to thrice of mean minus median in case of asymmetrical data. And if the data is symmetrical, then mean will be equals to median will be equals to mode. Great. Chalo, let's move on. Manjula, Manisha, Sadhya, Shushmita, Geeta, good evening to everyone. The average of first 10 prime numbers is Y. So what are the first 10 prime numbers? 1 is not the prime number. It starts with 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and then 23, 29. Correct? These are the first 10 prime numbers. We need to add them up and divide by 10. Please, anyone, give me the value of Y. Chalo, quickly add them up and divide by 10. Give me the average. Any help? Nobody wants to help? Okay. Total comes to 129. Divide by 10 is 12.9. Now, the average of 4 consecutive prime numbers starting from 101. Starting from 101, prime numbers are 101, 103, 107, then 109, 113, and on. This is what we need to remember. Yashashri, is total coming as 12? 120? You have given me reply with the 12. X is the average of the first 4 prime numbers starting with 101. So 101 plus 103 plus 107 plus 109 will be 420. So value of X will be 420 by 4. That would be 105. Now, they are asking find the average of X and Y. So average of X and Y is X plus Y by 2. 105 plus 12.9 by 2. 117.9 by 2 will give 5, 8, 19 means 1895, 58.95. Yes, that we have in option A. So for this, you need to have perfect knowledge of prime numbers. You should know the prime numbers at least till 100 we should know, and at least 5 prime numbers which starts from 100, 101, 103, 107, 109, and 113. At least these we should know. Barabar? Let's move on. And please try to participate also. Timer is ticking. Please put a timer for yourself. मोबाइल फोन हैं सबके पास, उसमें स्टॉप वॉच स्टार्ट कर लीजिए. Not more than a minute. Okay, let's see. If we consider this question thoroughly as an arithmetic progression question, then for an AP, first term is A, common difference is D, and any nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. Chal. 10th term is 48. That means A plus 9D equals 48. And the common difference is 4. That means value of D is 4. A plus 9 into 4, 36 is 48. So we will get A is equals to 12. First term is 12, common difference is 4. In an increasing AP of 20 items, what is the arithmetic mean of the 20 item? For arithmetic mean of 20 item, we need S20. S20, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So S20 would be 20 by 2 into 2A. A is 12, 12 into 2 is 24, plus 19, 19 into 4. So this is 10 into 24 plus 76. 17, 90, 100. So that is 1000. So arithmetic mean of 20 items is 1000 divided by 20. That is 5050. Option C is the pick. This is the basic process if we are using the concept of AP. We need to identify the first term A, common difference D, N is known. We can find S20, and then the AM, arithmetic mean of S20 is S20 divided by N. Fair enough. Arithmetic mean is summation of N divided by 2. Good. Summation of N in this case is S20 divided by N, sorry. arithmetic mean of n element, and n is here 20. So this is our arithmetic mean. Simple. But can we do it actually without using AP, without you calculating A, without calculating S20? They're asking about the arithmetic mean of 20 items. In case of AP, arithmetic mean of the series given. Okay, listen carefully. Arithmetic mean of the series given is nothing but its median. So if we have got 20 items, median would be 20 plus 1 by 2, that is 10.5th element, that is 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. Median of 20 item will be 10th term plus 11th term divided by 2. Simply, this is the answer. That's it. So AM of 20 items is nothing but median, that is 10th element. 10th element is 48 plus what will be the 11th element? 11th element will be 48 plus 452 divided by 2. And you can see you are getting 50 in no time. No need to use the tedious calculations. Just we need to use properties. If it is an AP series, then average of or arithmetic mean of AP series is nothing but the median of the series. Here we are supposed to just find the median. In case of 20 items, median is 10.5th element. That means 10th element plus 11th element divided by 2. Make proper note of this because this will be quite handy. If you use this, you will get answer in less time. Fair enough? Good. Many of you have given answer C, but please make note of this property. This is really interesting one. We'll move on. You know, put up the timer and let's carry on. Mention the question number and find the answer. Okay, another interesting fact related to a series which is in arithmetic progression. If a series is in arithmetic progression, and if we know the first term and last term of it, then AM, arithmetic mean of the series, is simply A plus L by 2. This will hold good if we have an arithmetic progression. That's it. Find the arithmetic mean of the numbers between 10 and 82, which are divisible by 9. So the smallest number in this range, which is divisible by 9, is 18. And the last number is 81. Clear? Now, we are not supposed to find that how many numbers are there in this series. What are the numbers? It is actually not required. Why? Because it will feature an AP series. each number would be increasing by 9 only. So in this case, AM is nothing but 18 plus 81 by 2. That is 99 by 2, 49.5. Option D is the pick. Just use properties as much as possible so that your calculation time is reduced. And you will also feel happy about it. Good one, Akanksha, Shushmita, Komal, Shweta, Kaushal. Do anyone have used this particular formula? In case of an AP series, arithmetic mean is simply A plus L by 2. Please give us a thumbs up. Okay, let's move on to the next one. A trick question, use some property base and find. I want every participant to answer this. Mark question 84 and answer. Write 84 and the answer. If you are listening, bane rahiye. Keep sharing the link. Very good. Answers are pounding in. Everyone, please answer. Great. This is what we have discussed right now only. If it is an consecutive natural number series, that means it is an AP series. Question is find the difference between AM and median. We know in case of a consecutive natural number series, which is an AP series, mean that is AM is equals to median. So the difference between these two will be obviously 0. No need to write the number, find AM, find median, blah, blah, blah. If it is a consecutive natural number series, it automatically become an arithmetic progression. And in that case, AM is same as median of the series. So the difference between AM and median for the first 7 or first 70 or first 7,000 consecutive natural number will be always 0. Very good. This time, all of you have participated. Great. Let's move on to the next one. Give it a try. It's on harmonic mean and arithmetic mean of composite numbers. Fix up 1 minute and try. Participants, lock yourself for 1 minute and do it. Please mark 85 before writing your option. Please write the question number also if you are answering. There would be confusion then. जोड़िए लोगों को जोड़िए. Jyoti have given answer 1.2. Okay. Suppose we have got n values of a variable. Then AM is simply x1 plus x2 till xn by n. GM is nth root of product of all these numbers. And HM is n divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 till 1 by xn. What is the difference between harmonic mean of 5, 6, 8? First of all, let us calculate harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is 3 by 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8. Okay. So 2, 3, 2, 4, 8, 3, 24 and 5, 120. 3 into 120 by 120 by 5 is 24, by 6 is 20, by 8 is 15. So this will be 360 by 20, 40, 50, 59. Now, how much is 360 by 59? That is 6.10. Arithmetic mean of first 5 composite number. 1 is not a composite number, neither a prime number. And prime numbers are not composite numbers. So the first composite number, what we have? 1, not 2, 3 are prime 4. Then 5 is prime 6, 7 is prime 8, 9, and 10. These are the composite number. Composite number are number which have got more than 2 factors. 4 have got 3 factors, 6 has got, we know, 4 factors, and so on. So AM of these 5 number, 19, 29, 37. AM would be 37 by 5. That is 7.4. Clear? Now they are asking about the difference between these two. So difference between these two is 7.40, 6.10. That comes to 1.30. That is in option A. In case of any doubt, please put up in the chat box. Fair enough. Shall we move on? Is calculation okay with everyone? Okay. Let's see the next one. Give it a try. Okay. So what is the catch? Find the standard deviation of 2, 5, 7, 10, 13, 17. If numbers are small, we should follow this process. First, find mean of the numbers quickly. 10, 20, 30, 40, then 14, 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10, 20, 30, 40, 47, 49, 54. 54 by 6 is 9. Bingo. If we can get AM, which is a whole number, finding standard deviation becomes quite simple and easy. Next part is you need to find x minus x bar whole square. Just deviate each number from 9 and do the square of it quickly. 2 minus 9, 7. We are finding the absolute difference because we need to find the square. 7 square is 49. 5 minus 9 is 4. 4 square is 16. 7 minus 9 is 2. 2 square is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 square is 1. 13 minus 9 is 4. That is square is 16. 17 minus 9 is 8. That is square is 64. We just need to find the total of this. 15, 20, 30, 3, 9, 10, and 15. So standard deviation is root over summation x minus x bar whole square by n. Summation x minus x bar whole square is 150 and n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3 times 50, 2. So that is root 25. Root 25 is 5. Standard deviation is 5 straight away. Use this formula. This is the step. Step 1, always find the mean ASAP, as quickly as possible. If it is a whole number, bingo. Just deduct, deviate all the given numbers from x bar, find the square, total, divide by n, root over. That will give you standard deviation. Or in case, if you are not getting x bar a whole number, I'll suggest you to use this formula. Summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square. So we have x, 2, 5, 7, 10, 13, 17. Find the total of this. Find x square, find total of this. Plug in the formula and then find the solution. In this case, x bar is a whole number. It is working in our favor. Standard deviation is 5. Fair enough? Any doubts, please raise. Clear? Okay, let's move on to the next one. This empirical formula I have already given in the beginning of the session. Have a look at that. Use it. Put in your answer in the live chat box. Put question number also while you are answering. This will be of great help to me also in identifying who all are answering which particular question it is. So sometimes if you don't want to put up an option, write the answer. So if you don't want to write the question number. The empirical relationship between mean, median, and mode is mean minus mode is equals to 3 times mean minus median. Now let's see what is given. Mode is 13 and mean is 4. That is equals to thrice 4 minus, let median is x. So minus 9 by 3 equals 4 minus x, which is equals to -3. So 4 plus 3 is x, that is 7. The median of the distribution is 7. Option A is the pick. Try to remember this empirical relationship in case of asymmetric distribution. In case of symmetric distribution, mean is equals to median is equals to mode. In case of asymmetric, please try to remember this. Mean minus mode equals thrice mean minus median. There are high chances that you will get question where you can use this formula directly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of you have given answer. Very good. Good. Increase participation. Work out the next one on the screen. Yes. Any participant to this particular question? Okay. Let's see. Find the coefficient of range. Range is what? Range is highest value minus lowest value in the given data series. And coefficient of range is simply h minus L by h plus L. Sometimes it is into 100 also, but as we look on the options, these are in decimals, they would have used only h minus L upon h plus. Highest value, 86.6 in the given series. Lowest value is 33.7. Now just use it. So coefficient of range is 86.6 minus 33.7 by 86.6 plus 33.7. Just solve this. (86.6 minus 33.7 will give us 52.9 by 86.6 plus 33.7, 120.3. On division, let's see what we'll get. 52.9 divided by 120.3. That is 0.439. That can be equated with 0.44. Option B is the pick. Similarly, we have got coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is SD by mean. Mean means arithmetic mean into 100. Coefficient of QD, quartile deviation. Quartile deviation by median into 100. Coefficient of MD about mean is mean deviation by mean or median into 100. It depends whether you will be multiplying by 100 or not. Just check from the option list. If MD is calculated on AM, then divide by AM into 100. If mean deviation is calculated using median, then divide by median into 100. These are the 4 formulas to find coefficient of measures of dispersion, which are known as relative measures of dispersion. We have got 4 absolute measures of dispersion: range, quartile deviation, mean deviation or mean absolute deviation, and standard deviation. Barabar? Chalo. Let's take the next one. Okay, here they have asked us to calculate mean deviation. I'm giving you a simple formula. Mean deviation, if nothing is mentioned, mean deviation is always about mean. About mean means about arithmetic mean. It is simply summation of mod x minus x bar divided by n. Just find x bar, find absolute deviation of numbers from the given number deviation from mean, find the absolute difference, add up, divide by n. That is mean deviation about AM. Give it a try. Okay. Answer pondering in. Let's see. For this, first we need to find mean. And let's hope that mean is a whole number so that calculation become easy. 7, 16, 17, 27, 30, 40. 40 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mean is 8. Now we need mod of x minus x bars. 2 minus 8, absolute value 6. 5 minus 8, absolute value 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. 13 minus 8 is 5. We just need to find summation of x minus x bar. 9, 10, and 18. Therefore, MD will be 18 by n, that is 5, 3.6. Option B is the pick. Now, in this particular question, along with this data, if they ask you what is coefficient of mean deviation about mean, then coefficient of mean deviation about mean would be MD by mean. If it in percentage, multiply by 100. MD is 3.6, mean is 8 into 100. Now, whatsoever is the value, that becomes coefficient of MD. That would be 45%. They can write the value in 45%, or they can also write value as 45, or they can write at 0.45. All means the same. It is just the way it is being represented. That's it. But here, if for this question, mean deviation of the given numbers is 3.6. Coefficient of MD is 0.45 or 45. Okay, let's take up the last one for the session. And there's hope that you all We'll keep on practicing. We'll add on few practice video sessions in the description. Please come back again. Have a look at the description. The link would be there. Just go through it. Let's give this a try, and then we'll call off the day. A very interesting thing that we should know about measures of central tendency, that is mean, median, mode per se. All measures of central tendency are dependent on change of origin and change of scale. All measures of central tendency, that is mean, median, mode, AM, GM, HM, whatever, quartile deviation, all measures of central tendency are dependent on change of origin and change of scale. That is, if I say y is equals to a plus bx, there are two independent variables, x and y, such that they are related linearly, y equals to a plus bx, then all measures of central tendency respective to y will be equals to a plus b into all measures of central tendency with respect to x. That means if I say y is equals to a plus bx, then median of y is equals to a plus b into median of x. Got it? So in this question, we can see median of a given set of number is 50. That means 3ai plus 2, median is 50. Then what will be the median of ai? Simply just solve in. 3ai will be equals to 50 minus 2, that is 48. That means median of distribution A is 48 by 3, that is 16. Just put in the value in the linear equation as given. You will get everything you want. Suppose in this case, it is given that y is equals to 3a plus 2 and median of y is 16. Then median of x is 16. Then what is the median of y? You will get 50. In this case, it is 16. But one thing, in case of measures of dispersion, that is range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and standard deviation, all measures of dispersion are independent of change of origin, but dependent on change of scale. That means if y is equals to a plus minus bx, then dispersion value of y will be mod b into dispersion value of x. That means SD of y will be mod b into SD of x, or range of y will be mod b into range of x, and on. I hope you have got this. Keep practicing on the same lines. You will get a question. Do a lot of averages, mean, median, and mode. And if the mood changes of the paper banane wale ka, he can ask you mean deviation, standard deviation. Do work a little on standard deviation also. And if you have any doubt, please let us know in the comment box. You know that we are always here ready to help. So on this note, I'm Mohit signing off from LeadSoft Placement Academy. Please subscribe to the channel and keep sharing as much as possible. Mohit signing off. I'll see you soon.